over several years. For many years, she stayed in the marriage and put up with it in the hopes that this behavior would change and for the benefit of her three children. However, she felt that at this stage she had to take action.
Bollywood actress and former Miss India Selina Jaitley has filed a domestic violence petition against her husband, Austrian businessman Peter Haag. The petition was filed on 21 November 2025 in a Mumbai court. After her filing, the court issued a notice to Haag and the next hearing has been scheduled for 12 December 2025. In the petition, Selina says she lost major work opportunities over the years due to the restrictions she faced in her marriage. She has asked the court to grant her 50 crore rupees to compensate for these financial losses as well as the emotional and physical harm she says she endured. Apart from compensation, Selina has asked for 10 lakh rupees every month as maintenance. She has also requested a restraining order preventing Haag from entering her Mumbai home. Selina has asked for custody of the children or at the very least, unrestricted access to them. She says she has not had meaningful contact with them since she left Austria. Selina and Peter met via an arranged marriage set up through their respective families. Peter came to meet her family in India and proposed to her in August 2010. On September 23rd of the same year, they got secretly engaged and the wedding took place in Austria in 2011. The ceremony was relatively private. Their first set of twins was born in Dubai. Around this time, Selina slowed down her work commitments to focus on family life. In 2017, Selina gave birth to another set of twin boys. One of the twins died shortly after birth due to hypoplastic heart, an underdeveloped heart condition. The couple spoke publicly about the loss at that time. According to her petition, during these years, Selina was allowed to work only on small projects and even those required Haag's permission. She says this affected her income, independence and professional identity. Selina says Haag filed for divorce in an Austrian court in August 2024. This filing took place before she left Austria with her allegations of abuse. Selina says she was forced to leave their home in Austria due to what she calls severe emotional and physical stress. She claims she fled without her children and has been trying to establish contact with them through legal channels.
National diaspora, our soldiers are becoming targets overseas over and over again, and I think today's judgment will
before the court of the Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class Andheri in Mumbai. His Lordship is pleased to issue notice returnable on the 12th of December 2025.
Selina alleges that Haag repeatedly insulted her and damaged her self-confidence. She says he used degrading language, including comments that compared her to a domestic help and that made her feel like a maidservant. Her petition states that there were incidents of physical violence and sexual abuse. These claims are part of her formal legal filing in the Mumbai court. She says Haag demonstrated anger issues and what she calls narcissistic traits, with little empathy for her or the children. She also describes him as having alcoholic tendencies. Selina says that after becoming a mother, she was told not to work on several occasions. She claims that Haag only allowed small appearances and that even these were subject to his approval. She states this caused years of financial loss. Selina alleges that Haag took control of her money and her Mumbai house. She says the property was taken from her at a time when she was emotionally weak after losing her newborn child and both her parents. According to her petition, Selina left Austria because the abuse made her feel unsafe. She says she has had no proper access to her children since then and is seeking legal intervention. Selina recently told the Delhi High Court that her brother, Major retired Vikrant Jaitley, has been illegally detained in the UAE since September 2024. She says Indian authorities have not been able to give her clear information about his condition or legal status. The court has asked officials to ensure that she and her brother's wife are allowed contact with him.